Hello, I am Suraj Kumar Singh from AgriLearner app team. Today I am going to take your interview for IBPS AFO. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Myself Madhuri. I'm from Karnataka. I completed my graduation in College of Horticulture, Mysuru, and currently I'm working as agriculture field officer in Bank of India.
How you have started your preparation? What you have think about? How you have think about IBPS AFO?
Usually, all students after completion of degree, they starts their preparation for MSc, and likewise, even I started preparing for MSc from final year, but I was really not interested in it. I wanted to get job, and for Horti students, there will be main two options. One is AFO and one is HO. And as AFO exam was nearer, so I decided that I should start my preparation for IBPS AFO.
Congratulations, you have qualified IBPS AFO in first attempt only. How you have prepared for
Yes,
pre?
sir. As I said, I decided in last moment, so I started for prelims 3 months before, and I joined coaching. And to say about prelims preparation, you need just 3 to 4 months continuous preparation. That's it, and it is really not very much difficult to crack it, and usually students think that we don't have grip on maths from 4 5 years, whether we can do it or not. But yes, we can do it. Just you need to put effort for 3 to 4 months, and maths will be like it will be like 10th level maths. Just learn short tricks to solve the problems, and also learn to solve fastly. Speed is really very important. That you should be able to solve one question within 1 minute. And even English also not very difficult. If you're good at English, if you're good in fluent English, you can pass without any preparation also. But if you're not good at English, you need good preparation. You should have strong base in grammar. Learn grammar and uh, read paragraphs, articles, and newspapers, that you should be able to understand the paragraph and attend the question asked from it, and you should be able to identify the errors. So just refer previous year question papers, solve more questions, and daily attend mock tests. This is really very important. And only thing to that to do to clear prelims, just do more practice and attend mock test daily. This will increase your speed, and this will increase confidence also. And many juniors asked me that whether it is important to join coaching or not for prelims. I don't say yes. Even if you join coaching, it depends on how much hard work you do. So even you can prepare by sitting in home, watch YouTube videos. Also, you can join online coaching classes. Just do hard work now, and you can also skip 2 or 3 questions in 2 or 3 topics in maths while preparing, but be sure that remaining topics that you practiced so well that you are able to attend any type of questions, any level of question that comes.
How you have prepared for mains?
Hmm. Mains and this prelims score is really not important. Just you need to get cutoff marks just to enter for mains exam but main score is really very important. This will decide your job because they will consider mains and interview marks if you score really good in mains, then even if your interview is average, then also you will get job. So you need really good preparation for mains. You should start at least 6 months, 1 year before, and you should daily go through the topics because these horti agri subjects are like volatile. Even one day you don't read it, you will think that you have forgotten. So daily go through it. And coming to my preparation now, I didn't know that I will clear prelims. It will clear. So I started preparing for other exams. Then when my prelims result came, I got qualified to mains. Then only I had 15 days time for mains. I was really very tense that whether I can do it or not in this much less time. Then I started searching for websites, apps which can help for my preparation. And then I got this AgriLearner app. I felt really happy and satisfied with this app because the notes are very good that I really enjoyed reading notes. Now they provided short notes on each and every topic that it is very easy to read, understand, even easy to remember also. Now and price wise also it is very less that any student can afford it, and compared to others the price is also very less. And I really enjoyed reading this PDF notes now, and it also helped for my interview. Also, they provided a lot of notes, messages, which really helped for my interview. Also, and for my juniors, I can say that you can blindly trust this app. Now they provide you spoon feed, and even the team members response also very quick if you have any query or if you have any doubt. Now they really give quick response, and no need to refer any other notes or other website now outside notes. Only referring these notes is more than enough for your preparation.
What you will suggest for new students, those who are giving this year examination? What you will suggest them? How to prepare? Some preparation tips from your side.
What I say is this exam it 85% is how much hard work you do, and 15% is about luck. Luck in the sense, in the exam hall our mind really plays with us, that even if we know correct answer, our mind get divert and we choose wrong option. Just be sure, be confident about your exam, don't get panic, and think, keep in this thing in mind that in whole examination hall only you are the one who is prepared so well. This will increase your confidence. And even if you don't clear the exam now, just don't go into depression. Just think that you had an experience, you had, and you will get to know where you did the mistake. And in next preparation you will get the idea that how you can improve your preparation and give your best in next attempt. So just don't be panic, don't be depressed, give your best. And I wish all the best for my juniors who are going to give their attempts. And I also say my heartfelt thanks to AgriLearner team for providing me this opportunity to share my experience, and hope this will at least somewhat it will help my juniors. Thank you.
Welcome, and most congratulations for your selection, and best of luck for your further future. Thank
Thank
you.
you